Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw your XRP from Robinhood and transfer it to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving quickly, this process might have some updates, so let's make sure you're doing it right for a smooth experience. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply. First things first, before we get started, ensure you have verified accounts on both Robinhood and Binance. Verification is key for security and to avoid any hiccups. In 2025, platforms like Robinhood have tightened their policies, so double-check that your identity and payment methods are all set up. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to your portfolio and find your XRP holdings. Once you're there, select the withdraw option. It's usually under the wallet or assets section. You'll need to choose XRP specifically, as Robinhood supports multiple cryptos. Next, enter the withdrawal details. This is crucial. You'll have to input your Binance wallet address. To get that, log into Binance separately, go to your wallet, and copy the XRP deposit address. Make sure it's the correct one to avoid losing your funds. Also, check for any network fees. By 2025, transaction fees might be dynamic based on blockchain congestion, so keep an eye on that. After confirming the amount and details on Robinhood, review the transaction summary. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, switch back to Binance and monitor your wallet. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the XRP to show up, depending on network speed. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check everything. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Robinhood to Binance in 2025. This process keeps your investments flexible and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.